Sam's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy A13 5G is now here at Straight Talk. It's available now for $149.99. So this is a budget 5G smartphone. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone on Straight Talk, the Galaxy A13 5G is worth checking out. So this is the 5G version of the Galaxy A13. So to keep in mind, the model number is S136DL, and it's available in black there. So yeah. So this is a new phone for Straight Talk, but this is a new phone for Straight Talk. By no means this is a new phone in general. This phone's been out for a few months now on different carriers. So now Straight Talk finally got this phone here. Yeah, the very nice looking phone. Main selling point of this phone, it does have 5G, so a great 5G phone here. So you guys have the phone right there. You guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone now. The left side of the phone has a micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the Galaxy A13 5G is your triple camera system, camera flash, Samsung logo, and I don't know what this is right here. I don't know what that is. Could be some writing. I don't know what that is right there. It's not a speaker though, because it's not. It's something else. I just don't know what it is. So yeah. Alright, so it's $149.99 for a retail price, or $625 a month for 24 months if you guys want to pay monthly for it. Which you guys do, you have the option to do monthly or for retail price. So it's I'm gonna go for retail price because right now it's $150 for the Galaxy A13 5G on Straight Talk, which is the cheapest I've seen it on any prepaid carrier thus far. So yeah. So that's for introducing the Galaxy A13 5G. I don't know what's up with the fucking text here. This shit's gonna have my ass. I do not know I don't know what's going on here with the text, but hopefully it will get fixed. Since we've gone and done it, Galaxy A13 5G packs our core features into one of the most affordable 5G service. Alright. Let me read that again because I know that the text is confusing. I know that. So that's how we have gone and done it. Galaxy A13 5G packs our core features into one of the most affordable 5G phones on the market. What does that mean for you? Quick downloading and streaming virtually live free on an expansive and smooth display, incredible video capturing and photos with a high-res triple camera, and enhanced storage that has room for all your favorite memories, plus awesome connectivity with a long-lasting battery that charges up fast. So that's the description of the Galaxy A13 5G. On the other side of that, says here a separate plan card is required for activation. No shit. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Service plan card is required for activation. I don't know why they have to do that twice for some fucking reason. But you can text SAS 136DL to 611-611 for mobile tutorials. If you guys want to do that, go ahead. But yeah. Okay. So you guys get the Galaxy A13 5G smartphone, the charger. I think it's the charging cable. Don't know if you get a charging brick in the box. I don't think you do, because Samsung is not including charging bricks in the box anymore on their phone. So you will have to get a charging brick. Don't know if this one comes with it or not. You do get a battery there, which is embedded. Services guide and quick start guide. So you pretty much standard stuff in the box, nothing special. More features on the scene in 5G. A fast and reliable processor powers a virtually lag-free 5G experience. Triple lens camera, countless possibilities. With a high-res triple lens camera system, Galaxy A13 5G gives you one of the most sought-after cameras at a fraction of the price. Press play and be amazed. Streaming playback in a crisp edge-to-edge view. We are serious about security. Galaxy A series helps protect your data with multi-layered security and the ability to privately share your files on your terms. A battery that gives your charger a break. Whatever your day has in store, a long-lasting, fast-charging battery makes sure you're ready for it. So, yeah, ain't no specs. It's not showing no specs or anything. So I will try to get the official specs to the Galaxy A13 5G. So check the second link down below for that. I don't know why I don't have no specs or nothing. I don't know why. It's kind of weird. But yeah, there you guys have it. The Galaxy A13 5G is finally here on Straight Talk. It's been on different carriers for like the last 3 months now, and Straight Talk has it for $149.99 right now. That might be the retail price of it for Straight Talk, which is the cheapest I've seen the Galaxy A13 5G on prepaid thus far. So not bad for $150 for a cheap 5G phone. You're getting a pretty good spec phone for the price here. The Galaxy A13 5G is not a slouch. It's a pretty good phone for what it is. So nice looking phone, great specs for what it is. And the best of all, you're getting 5G on Verizon's network, so that's a win. So there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A13 5G now available on Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.